Facebook have recently made changes to their desktop layout. Now what that also means is it now affects how we plan out and schedule posts to our Facebook page. So in this video, I'm going to take you through step by step on how we utilize the new Facebook scheduling feature, and that's coming up right now. Hey there, Mark Warnken here. Thanks for tuning into my channel, the #1 place to stay up to date with everything that's happening in the world of social media. So as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and tick the little bell icon. That way you won't miss out on any of my weekly videos.
So here we are on my Facebook page, Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123. If you aren't yet following my Facebook page, by all means, give me a thumbs up and give me a like to stay up to date. So how do we start scheduling our posts on the new layout here on Facebook? Facebook have recently changed the look of the business page here on desktops or fan pages or community pages. So a lot of people have been lost. They've messaged me saying, Mark, I can't work out how to actually schedule my posts anymore because it's all a little bit too confusing. So that's what this video is all about, how to schedule in advance your post to your Facebook business page. And before I show you step by step how to do it, this is the end result that we're wanting to get to. So I've actually got a few posts already scheduled to go to my Facebook business page. I've got this one here where it's just a simple image on various social media tips that I post out. Social media tip #1 is plan and post every day. So that's already scheduled to go out, and it's going out in the next day or two. One of the cool funky features that Facebook now allows us to do is this one is going both to my Instagram page and my Facebook page. See, it's the same post here, but it's got the Instagram icon here and it's got the Facebook icon here. So this is the end result we're wanting to get to. And the other one that I've got down here, it's just another video explaining. In this video, I take you through step by step on how to use the LinkedIn events feature. So that's a native video. So that's a non-branded video. It's a video directly uploaded to Facebook, and that's going to be going out in a few days as well. So I've already populated in advance a couple more of these. So this is the end result we're wanting to get to. Let me now show you step by step how do we actually get to this end result. And it is pretty straightforward. Everything still starts with creating a post. So let's click the create post button and up will pop here. Now, if I was just, posting directly to my Facebook page, you would type in some text here, you would add an image and you would click post and away you would go. You would post instantly. But if you're wanting to schedule, you actually now have to follow the prompt down below. Look at here. Post scheduling is now available in the publishing tool. So let's click on the link here. It will take us to the Facebook publishing tools page. And here we are on that publishing tools page. So we have a couple of options here. If you just want to start creating a post, you click the box here and it will actually start taking us to create and start scheduling posts. But Facebook are always trying to sort of engage us further. They're always trying to sort of, saying, hey, let us help you more. And they also have another page where it's the business suite where you can, manage your Facebook and Instagram pages together. So it's quite handy, but I won't overly confuse it in this video. Let me just show you how to utilize the scheduling tool. And I will have some more videos, released on actually how to, utilize and navigate the business suite. So let's just click on create a post and up will pop the box. And it is pretty straightforward. So it's asking me, it's going to be placing it to my own Facebook business page, but I'm also going to tick the box. So it's now also going to post it to my Instagram page at the same time. How easy is that? How time saving is that? So all we need to do is write some text and add some images as per normal. Now I've added some text, and the text is, in this video, I explain step by step on how to set up your YouTube channel correctly. And the call to action is going to be click the link in the comment section below. So I'm going to embed my YouTube link in the comment section below, and I'm doing that for a reason. I'm wanting to have a link to my YouTube channel on a Facebook post. Now, I don't do that very often. Quite often, I just upload the video directly. It's called a native video, and people will watch the video within Facebook, and it doesn't take them to YouTube. But in this instance, I'm doing something different. I've added the thumbnail, I've added the image. You can enter a location, that type of thing. Now, I'm going to untick the box on this one because on Instagram there is no I'm not going to be putting the comments the link in the comment section below on the on my Instagram page. But this is how straightforward it can be, and I'm going to show you a different version after this. So make sure you don't click off after this one has gone live, because I'm going to show you a slight variation to it. So that's how simple and quick it can be. So it's going to go directly to my Facebook page. I've got the copy here, the words. I've got the image. Now down the bottom right here, I can publish it straight away, or I click the arrow and up pops the box in scheduling tool. So today, Sunday here, let's schedule this one for Thursday week coming up. Let's do it first thing of the morning. Let's try and get the morning commute where people are, maybe on the train going to work or something like that. 07:49, or let's make it 07. That'll do. So it's almost 10 to 8 on a Thursday morning. Try and get people who are maybe on the bus, on the train, or whatever, and we press save. So that's how simple it is. We would press save, and that is now scheduled. And there's a pop-up here. It said it may take a few minutes to schedule this post. You can confirm it successfully. It was successfully scheduled by checking in the post tab. So let's give it a minute or two, and let's refresh the screen, and let's see if it's repopulated and is now scheduled. And here we go. See, we now have 4 of them scheduled here. Here was the one I just explained and showed you how to do. In this video, I explained step by step on how to set up your YouTube channel correctly. It'll be Thursday, the 25th of February here in Australia, 7:49 in the morning. And if you want to click on that, you can edit it and delete it and things like that. So we've got the link that's going to come forward, or the image, sorry, coming forward. I've got the copy here. And once it's gone live, I will put the link to the YouTube channel video in the comments below. So there's actually, 4 of them that I've now got all done. But let me show you how to do the simple one where we would then tick the box to both Instagram and Facebook at the same time. So let me give you 2 ways on how you can utilize this tool to save you lots of time and the frustration of, planning out all your social media. So let me show you another example now. So let's click on create post again, and up will come that familiar box that we just saw a second ago. Okay, so I am going to tick the box to Instagram this time, because then I want to schedule and post for both of them. So let's add a photo. So I've added some text here. Social media tip number 2 is XYZ. This is just an example. Now I've added this little GIF. It's a 5-second video. It sort of makes it a little bit more funky. But again, that's how simple it is. So it's going to go to my Facebook page, my Instagram page. Now I'm going to delete this one. So we're not going to be too fussed. Let's make it, the time that it's given us here, it's about an hour away. Let's click save. Let's click scheduled, and it's scheduling the post. And I'm now going to take you refreshing the page, which it's already doing itself. And here is that second one that I've just showed you here. So you can see you've got the Instagram icon and the Facebook icon. Social media tip number 2 is XYZ. Now, as I said, I'm going to delete that, so I'm not too worried about. Now, it hasn't actually drawn through the image yet. It's still probably drawing the information through, but it was a duplication of this one. So it's exactly the same as what this one is. I'm utilizing that 5-second GIF little video, and it will eventually draw through and populate. So it will give you a reminder on what you've got scheduled and things like that. So if I want to click on that, now I get to see the information, and I can delete it and things like that. Over here on the right hand side, edit the post, duplicate post, delete post. Let's delete. It says post will be permanently deleted. So don't worry, you can start scheduling in advance. Now, I only deleted the Instagram version of that one. See, now I could have ticked the box and it probably would have deleted both of them at the same time. But let's delete the Facebook one. But let me actually just click here to show you what that was all about. See, social media tip. If anyone's wondering where I got that from, I got it from Canva. Canva's a great online, image and video tool. So look how simple and easy I created that. I have lots of them, and it helps me, my creative juices, and makes it really a little bit easy. So let's delete that one out. Let's delete it so we don't have that ready. Delete the post. And that's how simple it is to actually start utilizing and using the new Facebook scheduling tool. So if you're watching this video, go to the comment section below and let me know some of your thoughts, and let me know how you're utilizing or how you have utilized scheduling tools, not only here on your Facebook page, but maybe across some of the other platforms as well. Leave me a comment, leave me your thoughts, and also let me know where you're tuning in from around the world as well.
So there we go. Hopefully you found this video informative, entertaining and helpful, and you can now see the benefit and start taking advantage of utilizing the scheduling tool on Facebook, not only to post to your Facebook page, but you can also tick that little box that will also post to your Instagram page as well. So there should be no excuses for I don't have time to be posting, because you can batch it all together. You might spend a few hours just once a month, and you might be able to schedule 3, 5, even 10 posts to your Facebook and Instagram pages. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know how you're utilizing the Facebook scheduling tool. I would love to hear about that. And no matter which of the platforms you're watching this video, if it's YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you know what you need to do. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, hit the subscribe button, hit all the like buttons, and share this video as well. Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123 signing off, and I look forward to seeing you again in another one of my videos real soon.